Dear student, we are going to study the subject power system planning, which is presently in 6th semester electrical engineering. The syllabus of the subject is introduction, objective, scope and outcome of the course, introduction of power planning, power system reliability, generation planning, transmission and distribution planning, demand side planning. These are the 6th unit we will cover in this subject. The electric power industry has evolved over many decades from a low power generator serving a limited area to highly interconnected network serving a large number of countries or even continents. Nowadays, an electrical power system is one of the main made largest scale system ever made, comprising of huge number of components starting from low power electrical appliance to very high power turbo generator. Running this very large system to a real difficult task, it has caused numerous problems to be solved by both the educational and the industrial bodies. Lessons have to be learned from the past at the same time that the current situation should be run in an efficient manner. Proper insight should be given to the future. As we will discuss it shortly, the word operation is the normal electrical power terms used for running and current situation. Referring to the future, the power system expert use the term planning to denote the action required for the future. The past experience are always used for efficient operation and planning of the system. The word planning सिस्टम ऑफ द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब टू प्लान, जो प्लानिंग वर्ड है वो किससे बना हुआ है? टू प्लान मीन एज टू अरेंज ए मेथड और स्कीम बिफोर हैंड फॉर एनी वर्क एंटरप्राइजिंग और प्रोसीडिंग. द एम इज हियर टू डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ मेथड और स्कीम बिफोर हैंड एंड वर्क enterprising or proceeding for a physical power system. In other words, we are going to discuss the power system planning problem in terms of the issue involved from various viewpoints, the method to be used, the element to be affected, the time horizon to be observed. In this subject, we will cover all this aspect. The introduction, the objective, scope and outcome of the course. The objective of the course is the planning of various power systems across the world, distinguished feature of electricity, planning of industrial area or extension of production process in industry with requirement of additional power, calculating the demand for higher short circuit power to cover requirement of power quality at the connection point. These are the main objective of this course. The scope is a better service providing, cheaper electricity, efficient planning, more choices, cost minimize. These are the scope of this subject. The what will be the outcome of this course? We will to explain the need of power system planning of power system as well as technologically and economical reform required in the regulated system to implement the same. To explain the need of generation, transmission and distribution power system planning and promote future demand of electricity. Third, to analyze and decide a new as well as upgrading system element to satisfy enough the load for a prospective future. These are the outcome of this subject. The books, textbooks and reference book which we can use for this subject: Modern Power System Planning for publisher MGH, Electric Power System Planning AS Babla, Macmillan India Limited. These are the references book. which we can use for this subject. Thank you.